Hi, my name is Ravi Prakash and welcome to PNC 12. Okay, so we'll start with this question. How many numbers up to 10,000 will give sum of digits as 8? Okay, let's see this question here. How many numbers up to 10,000 will give sum of digits as 8, right? So in this case, what I want is one digit number, okay, as well as two digit number, as well as three digit number, okay, as well as four digit number, right? What I want is up to four digit number because obviously 10,000 as a number will not give me sum of digits as 8. It will give me only 1, right? 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is what? Is 1 only. Okay, so it won't give me sum of digits as 8. So up to 4 times 9. What is 4 times 9? Up to 4 digits, right? So I want to include 1 digit number plus 2 digit number plus 3 digit number plus 4 digit number, and that should give me 8, right? See this equation here. Now a plus b plus c plus d, if I write equal to 8, okay, let me write a little bit lower here. So if I write a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 8, a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 8, right? Where a is greater than equal to 0, b is greater than equal to 0, c is greater than equal to 0, d is greater than equal to 0, right? So will it take care of all the cases here? That means sum of one digit number is 8. So obviously it involves one case like 0, 0, 0, 0, 8. Or, right, we know that when we write this kind of cases, right, it involves all the shufflings because we have done this method. We put the circles, we put the partitions, right? All its shufflings are involved. Okay, that means 0, 0, 0, 8. Or it also covers the case like 0, 8, 0, 0. Okay, so one digit number, three digit number, like this, all the cases will be covered, right? In this, those cases are also covered, where like a is equal to 1, d is b equal to 6, c equal to 2, let's say, and d is 0. So when a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 8, and if I write its number of solutions, so its number of solution is what? 8 plus 3, 11c3. So 11c3 means every possible case is covered. Every possible case and its shuffling is covered. Shufflings. All the shufflings are also covered, right? So that means 0, 0, if I write 8,000 as one group, so 0, 0, 0, 8, 800, 80000, that is 8,000, or 800 or 80, all are covered, right? Similarly, sum of 4 digits is 8, right? So it can also be 1620, right? Sum of 4 digits is 8. It can also be uh it can also be 231 and 2312 kind of number, right? That means all the 4 digit numbers, all the 3 digit numbers, all the single digit numbers, right? Everything will be covered in this. If I write a plus b plus c plus d equal to 8 is, and I write total number of solutions, so what is the answer? Answer is 11c3. That is how much? That is once. If I solve it, we'll get 165 equal to 165. 11 into 10 into 9 by 3 into 2 into 1, 165, right? So how many numbers up to 10,000 will give me sum of digits as 8, right? So simple. Maximum number is what? 4 digits. Sum of 4 digits, sum of maximum 4 digits is 8, right? Simple, write the equation a plus b plus c plus d equal to 8, where a, b, c, d are digits, right? But there is a constraint, right? But there is a constraint that since a, b, c, d are digits, so digits are always only from 0 to 9, only from 0 to 9, right? But in this case it is okay, since here is 8, so it's absolutely fine, no issue, because 8, if the number is 8 here, right, and all the numbers are non-negative, so a can't take 9 so that other will get -1, right? That cases won't come because sum of 4 positive numbers is 8, or sum of 4 non-negative numbers is 8, right? So maximum value one can, any variable can take here is what? It can take 8. So it can't go beyond it. So it is correct. It is correct till now. Okay. Now similarly, if I write how many numbers up to 10 lakhs will give sum of digits as 3, or as 3, right? Quickly solve it. How many numbers up to 10 lakh will give sum of digits as 3, right? 10 lakh means what? Up to, what is 10 lakh, right? 10 lakh is how many digits? 10 lakh is 10, total 7 digits, right? So 10 lakh is what? 10 lakh is 10 raised to 6. So up to 10 raised to 6, that means Just get that number. How many maximum digit number can be there? If I exclude this 10 lakh as a number, up to 9,99,999, that is up to maximum 6 digit number. Okay, that means sum of maximum 6 digits. So A, B, C, D, E and F, right? I'll take till F now because sum of maximum 6 digits, right? 10 lakh means at maximum 6 digits, because don't include 10 lakhs because I know that 10 lakh as a number won't give me sum of digits as 3. So no issue here, right? So A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F equal to how much? Is equal to 3. Is equal to 3, right? And all can be greater than equal to 0. So how many number of solutions we can write? So 3 plus 5, 3 zeros, 3 circles, 3 circles or 3 zeros, right? 3 circles plus 5 plus sign. 3 plus 5, 8C5. So 8C5 or 8C3. This is the answer, right? Answer is what? Answer is 8C3, that is 56. 8C5 is equal to 8C3, right? No issue. So 3 plus 5, 8C5 or 8C3, that is 56 is the answer. Okay, right? Now, a twist will come here if I give the question as how many numbers, okay, how many numbers up to 10,000 will give sum of digits as 14. As 14, right? How many numbers up to 10,000 will give sum of digits as 14? Now, if I apply same thing, up to 10,000 means what? Maximum 4 digits. Maximum 4 digits, right? That is 4 times 9. Okay, so up to 10,000 means we'll give sum of digits as 14, right? So now A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 14. Now, if I write the total number of integral solution, because A can be greater than equal to 0, B can be greater than equal to 0, C also can be same, D also can be same, right? So 14 plus 3, 17C3. 14 plus 3 plus 9, 17C3, right? So 17C3 is the total number of solution. But is it the correct answer, right? Just ask yourself. It is no, because this is not the correct answer. Why it is not the correct answer? It is not the correct answer because here A plus B plus C plus D is 14, right? And A, B, C, D I have assumed to be digits, and digits can only be from 0 to 9, right? These are 4 digit number, right? So A plus B plus C plus D are, these are 4 digits of a number. Digits can never exceed 9, right? But here if you take total number of solutions, if you don't put any constraint on A, B, C, D, so it will be like A can be 13, B can be 1, C can be 0, D can be 0. This question is like, in how many ways 14 chocolates can be given to 4 persons, A, B, C, D, right? In which A can get 13 also, someone can get 14 also, right? Someone can get 10 also. So all those solutions are counted here, right? That means this is not the correct answer. This is not the correct answer, right? So basically what has happened here, something extra we have counted. What extra we have counted? We have counted this extra because I know that A cannot be more than 10, right? A, B, C, D cannot be greater than equal to 10. They cannot be greater than equal to 10, right? Their maximum value can be 9. Okay, so here in total number of cases, what is the total number of cases here? So total number of cases is 17C3. So here I should subtract the cases where A, B, C and D are greater than equal to 10, right? These cases I don't want. Okay, total number of cases what? 17C3. Out of total number of cases, I don't want the cases where A, B, C, D are more than equal to 10, because if they are more than or equal to 10, it will not be a digit. Digit is, what is the range of digit? From 0 to 9. Okay, let us subtract these cases, right? So basically I have to count now these cases where A, B, C, D are greater than equal to 10. Okay, so now let's see the equation here. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 14. Now how many cases of here? We are counting these cases here, right? So how many cases here for A greater than equal to 10? How many cases? So if A is greater than equal to 10, we know how to solve it, right? That means it basically this question's this is the meaning of this equation is, in how many ways 14 chocolates can be given to A, B, C and D such that A gets at least 10 chocolates, right? So we know how to solve. We'll give 10 chocolates to A. Now A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 4. Right, now all can be 0. Now all can be 0. So how many solutions? 4 plus 3. how many solutions? 4 plus 3, 7c3. Right? Similarly, there will be 4 cases now for a greater than equal to 10. So for a greater than equal to 10, 7c3 cases. Okay. For b greater than equal to 10, again 7c3 cases. Because again, for if I'll give b 10, right, again same thing. If I'll give b 10, so a plus b plus c plus d equal to 14. If I give b 10, so again same thing, right? Now all can be 0, but now b can be 10. So again same thing. How many cases? 7c3 cases. So for a 7c3 cases, for b 7c3 cases, for c 7c3 cases, and for d also 7c3 cases. What is the total number of cases? 7c3 into 4. So total number of cases how much? 7c3 into 4. So what is the answer? So our answer should be 17c3 minus 4 into 7c3. Right, our answer should be 17c3 minus 4 into 7c3. This is the final answer. Right, this is the final answer. Okay, now just get this concept right. Listen very carefully, very important concept, right? We'll see lots of variety in next few questions, right? That's a very important concept. What is the concept here? In how many numbers up to 10,000 will give me sum of digits as 14, right? So if I write a plus b plus c plus d equal to 14, because up to 10,000 means maximum 4 digits, right? So a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 14. If I write total number of solutions as 17c3, then it will be wrong in our case, because in I'm assuming here a b c d are what? They are digits. They are digits. Digits are only from 0 to 9. Okay, so that means if I write 17c3, it also includes the cases where a can be 13, where where a can be 14, or where a can be 12, or where b can be 10, or where c can be 10, right? That means it includes all those cases which violates our condition. What is violating our condition? No variables out of a, b, c and d should be greater than equal to 10. All should be what? Less than equal to 9. Okay, so basically out of 17, in total 17c3 cases, obviously our answer will be less than 17c3, right? Because in 17c3 includes some extra cases. What are those extra cases? When a, b, c, d are greater than equal to 10. So out of 17c3 total cases, I should subtract a, b, c, d greater than equal to 10 cases. These cases I should subtract. Okay, now how many such cases here? So I have to count basically. Like, what is the equation? Equation is a plus b plus c plus d equal to 14. I have to count how many cases of a greater than equal to 10. Okay, so how many cases of a greater than equal to 10? So we know how to solve it, right? So if a gets 10, so a plus b plus c plus d equal to 4. So now it is 7c3 solution. Okay, similarly for a 10, 7c3 cases. Similarly for b greater than equal to 10, again same thing, 7c3 cases, right? Similarly for c, again 7c3 cases. For d, again 7c3 cases, right? So for all a, b, c, d greater than equal to 10, 7c3 cases for each, right? So what is the total number of cases? 7c3 into 4. So total number of cases where a, b, c greater than equal to 10 are what? 7c3 into 4. So from total number of cases, that is 17c3, I should subtract those cases where a, b, c, d are greater than equal to 10. That is 4 into 7c3. So now this answer contains all the cases where a, b, c, d are less than equal to 9. Now this is the answer. A very good question, right? This is a very, very good question. Okay, so let's do one more question of this kind to get more clarity. See, how many numbers up to 1 lakh will give sum of digits as 13, right? Many people may have this question in mind. Okay, I'm just playing around, just more than 10. I know that values are not more than 10, right? So I'm playing around. What is this numbers I'm taking? 14, 13, right? 12 or this kind of taken. I'm taking this number. Why I'm not taking around above 20? That also will come. Every case we'll discuss, right? But get this concept absolutely fit in your mind. Okay, how many numbers up to 1 lakh will give sum of digits as 13, right? So see, up to 1 lakh means again what? It is maximum how many digits? Maximum 5 digits, because 99,999 up to maximum 5 digits, right? So again, sum of the maximum 5 digits is equal to 13, right? If I write the total number of solutions as, if I write the total number of solutions here, what is it? This is equal to 13 because all can be greater than equal to 0. So obviously 13 plus 4, 17C4. So total number of solutions is what? 17C4. But obviously this includes the cases where A, B, C, D, E all are greater than equal to 10. All are greater than equal to 10. It includes the cases where A, B, C, D are greater than equal to 10. So I have to subtract these cases where A, B, C, D are greater than equal to 10 because these cases I don't want. Why I don't want these cases? Because A, B, C, D are digits. A, B, C, D are digits. A, B, C, D, E are digits. Digits are only from 0 to 9. So if I write total number of solutions, it also takes the cases where A can be 12, B can be, or A can be 12, B can be another 0, 0, 0. Or A can be, or suppose E can be 13, all are 0, 0, 0. So if I don't put any constraint, it will include all these cases, right? I don't want these cases. I don't want A and E to be 12 and 13. I want all these values to be what? Less than equal to 9. Also value should be what? Less than equal to 9. That means I should subtract all the cases where it should be greater than equal to 10. It is more than equal to 10, right? More than equal to 10. I don't want those cases. Okay. So out of this equation, A plus B plus C plus D equal to 13. Now, A plus B plus C plus D plus E equal to 13. How many cases of A more than equal to 10? So again, you can simply solve it now. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 3. A needs at least 10. So I'll give 10 to A. A plus B plus C plus D equal to 3. Now since all can be 0, what is the answer? 3 plus 4, 7C4. 7C4 or 7C3, both are equal only, right? So 7C3. So 3 plus 4, 7C3. How many times? 1 for A greater than equal to 10, 7C3. Again for B greater than equal to 10, again 7C3. For C greater than equal to 10, again 7C3, right? How many times? 5 times. So 7C3 into 5. So from total number of cases, I should subtract, right? What is the final answer? It should be 17C4 minus 7C3 into 5. This should be the final answer for this question. Okay, so it's really a very good question. These questions are very good questions, right? This is how we'll solve this kind of questions. Okay, now let's put some more variety here. Okay, next question. How many 5-digit numbers will give sum of digits as, let's say, 9? So how many 5-digit numbers will give sum of digits as 9, right? Don't confuse it with the previous questions we have done, right? In this case, I'm mentioning here that it is a 5-digit number. I'm particular about this. It's a 5-digit number, right? In last case, it was up to 5-digit number. That means I can take 1-digit number as well, 2-digit number as well, 3-digit as well, right? So here here only 5-digit numbers, right? So if I write A, B, C, D are my digits, A, B, C, D and E are my digits for 5-digit number, the sum is equal to 9. Okay, and now here it is not a 5-digit number because A can be 0. So for 5-digit number, what is the condition? So to make it a 5-digit number, the pure condition is the first digit should be at least 1. That's it, right? If first digit is at least 1, so even if you are 0 also, it is always 1 lakh something. So it is a 5-digit number now. Okay, sorry, not 1 lakh something, I'm really sorry. It is like 10,000 something. Okay, if I'm putting A equal to 1 here, it's like 10,001, 10,002. Okay, so 10,008, like that. So the condition for it, right? So how many 5-digit numbers are there? So for making it a 5-digit number, the first digit should be equal to 1. That's it. So if the first digit is 1, then it becomes a 5-digit number now. Obviously it is. If first digit is 1, so obviously it is 5-digit number now. 1 0 0 0 0. It's a 5-digit number now, right? So okay. So if A is at least 1, you can solve this condition, right? So if now this question reads like 9 chocolates to be given to A, B, C, D, and E such that A needs at least 1. So give 1 to A. If you give 1 to A, now A plus B plus, you can change variable or not, right? I'm not writing a small a just to differentiate, right? It's your wish. You want to change variable or not, right? A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 8. Now, since all can be 0, how many solutions now? 8 plus 4, 12C4. So 8 plus 4, 12C4. 12C4 is the answer, right? Here is no case of violation because sum of digits is already 9. So since all are non-negative numbers, so no variable can exceed 9, right? So maximum what is the value possible? 9 only. Okay. So no variable can take 10. So that no violation of any thing is possible here. So what is the answer? Answer is what? Answer is 12C4 for this question. Okay. Okay, thank you. Next we'll see in next video. Okay.